Good morning, students. Today we are going to create a project for a cat Tom and dog Ram for playing with ball. Okay, are you ready for the project creation? So ma'am asked you to find out the number of sprites required for doing this project. So see here, so this environment is called as sprite area. So here you can add sprite, can also add backdrops. Backdrop is nothing but background image for your project. So now for my project I need three different sprites. See here, sprite 1 a cat, and then a dog, and then a ball. So these are all the various sprites. So first step is how you have to access the sprite. Hope you know already, as you learnt in your earlier grades. So you should choose sprite from this button. So by using this, if you click on it, it will open a library, and from this library you can choose what are all the sprites required for your project. So here various categories are there. Now under the animals category you should select dog and cat. Cat is already placed in your project, and then for ball you have to click on things. So in this way you have to add sprites in your project, and then after placing sprites you have to change the backdrop. See here, backdrop from library. Again you should click backdrop from library, and it will open a background. So here you just choose sports and choose the background requirement for your project. And next one is, yes, I have designed the environment for my project. Next I have to write codings. So for writing code we are having various blocks: motion block, looks, events, control. So 10 different blocks are there. Now first I am going to write code for sprite cat. So what I am going to do means, so when a space key is pressed, see from the color itself you can understand where you have to pick particular block. So here this is events. This block is under events. If you click on events, you can see when space key pressed. So say let's play. Tom should say let's play, and it will broadcast this message to Ram. Ram a dog. So broadcast means it send this message to dog, and it wait for 5 seconds for the reply from dog. Now I have to type coding for dog. So see what dog should do when I receive message. So cat already broadcasted the message. Once it receive the message, it wait for 5 seconds and repeat 5 times. It move 10 steps and it will say wow magic ball. Now both should play with ball. Next we have to write coding for ball. So they have to play with ball. So for that we have to give some animation in ball. So when again space key is pressed, forever we have to move the ball to 10 steps, and we should clockwise rotate the ball clockwise for 15 degrees and once again move 10 steps, so that what happen means the ball will be thrown from cat to dog again and again. Okay, so now see all the codes were written. Now Tom and Ram are going to play with the ball. After at the end of the game the dog will say wow what a magic ball. Likewise it will say some message. Now everything is coded. So when an event will be executed when a space key is pressed. Now listen to the screen. Now I'm pressing space key. Just a second. I'm stopping the execution. Once again pressing space key. Now see, now Tom is telling let's play. So Ram is playing with the ball and he is again saying wow magic ball. So in this way you can do some animations with the sprites. Okay. So next session we will discuss more block elements and we will create some more gaming projects. Thank you, children.